Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating journey of cell division. Ever wonder how you grow from a single cell into the trillions of cells that make up your body? It's all thanks to cell division. First up we have interphase. This is where the cell spends most of its life preparing to divide. Think of it as a cell's prep school. The DNA replicates, getting everything ready for the big split. Then we move on to prophase. Here, the chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes and the nuclear envelope starts to break down. It's like packing up your gear for an adventure. Next is metaphase. The chromosomes align in the center of the cell, forming a neat line. Imagine lining up for a class photo. Everyone needs to be in the right spot. Anaphase follows, where the chromosomes are pulled apart to opposite ends of the cell. It's like a tug of war, but way more organized. Then comes telophase. New nuclear envelopes form around each set of chromosomes and the cell starts to pinch in the middle. It's like setting up two new rooms from one big space. Finally, we have cytokinesis. The cell completely splits into two new cells, each with its own nucleus. It's like cutting a pizza into two equal slices, and there you have it. From interphase to cytokinesis, a cell's journey to division is truly a marvel of nature. I hope you found this as fascinating as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing science content. Until next time!